Welcome to Ranger Construction Industries, Inc. West Palm Beach asphalt facility, where we produce 300,000 to 500,000 tons of asphalt per year. To the left is our gob pile of old broken asphalt, startup waste, leftover asphalt, and out-of-specification asphalt. It is processed and sized to be used back into approved mixes. This recycled asphalt is the most recycled material by weight in the country. The white color material is called aggregate. These piles are divided into coarse and fine aggregate, each having to meet specific quality control criteria. These white aggregate piles make the new or virgin part of the asphalt mixture that gets placed on the roads in your community. Coarse aggregate can be as small as little pebbles or as big as 3/4 of an inch. The fine aggregate most resembles sand or sand with shells in it. The plant is off to the upper right corner. You'll see 3 silos. Each silo holds 200 tons of asphalt mix. The trucks go under the silos to get loaded. They sit on a scale to weight the material that has been produced. On the left is another scale that we use to weigh the white aggregate that comes into the facility. The laboratory has multiple technicians in it running various tests. This is where they produce the mix and meet specifications. The control tower is where the plant operator works. The plant operator is the person who runs the mechanical side of the plant to produce the different asphalt mixes. These large black piles of material are called milling piles. The millings are the remnants of old roadways. The pieces can be the size of a small piece of sand all the way up to the size of your palm. The millings can also be recycled back to the mixes to create new asphalt, or they can be processed by a crusher to better control the quality and used in current mixes. The cream-colored box with the stack in the foreground is the bag house. Think of it as a giant vacuum that sucks out dust and gases and cleans them away before allowing any air back into the atmosphere. To the right are 3 vertical tanks, 2 cream and 1 brown. This is where the liquid asphalt is stored. The liquid asphalt is what makes the asphalt black, often called blacktop. To the right, you can see 2 Caterpillar loaders. The plant is fed by 1 loader. The loaders put the coarse, fine, and millings into the appropriate bin. Just to the left of that are 6 virgin bins for the white aggregate material. Conveyors lead all the material to a centralized mixing drum. The shiny round thing in the middle of the screen is the mixture drum, where all the aggregate, millings, and liquid asphalt are specifically metered in to make the specific mixture. The brown diagonal piece is an elevator, often called the drag conveyor. It drags the material from the bottom of the drum to the top of the silos for future loadout. We run 2 shifts a day, 5 days a week, and most Saturdays. The plant is powered and heated by natural gas and recycled fuel oil with some amount of electricity. Ranger construction careers range from plant ground person, plant load operator, plant operator, and laboratory technician. Hardworking individuals with attention to safety can make between $45,000 and $100,000 per year with competitive benefits. We're ready for you. Contact Ranger Construction Industries, Inc. today, where opportunities are limitless.